Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce. My name is Anggunafisa Fitri. My NPM 234112020. I am from the Management 23C class, Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Here, I will explain about economic decision theory and statistika ekonomi. Economic decision theory. Economic decision theory is a powerful framework for understanding how individual and organization make choice under condition of uncertainty. This presentation will explore the key concept, models, and application of this important field, providing valuable insights for anyone interested in economic, business, or public policy. Next, understanding the axioms of rational choice. First, completeness, and then independence of irrelevant alternative, and then transitivity, and then continuity. Completeness. This is individuals can compare all possible alternatives and rank them in order of performance. Transitivity. If an individual prefer A over B and B over C, then they must also prefer A over C. Of relevant alternative. This is the relative ranking of two alternatives is not affected by the introduction of a third alternative. Continuity. This is small change in the attribute of an alternative do not lead to large change in reference. The concept of utility and utility maximization. Utility and then utility maximization and then diminishing marginal utility. Utility is a numerical representation of an individual's preference. It captures the satisfaction or well-being derived from the consumption of goods and services. Utility maximization. This is individuals assessment to make choice to maximize their total utility, subject to constraints such as income and prices. This form the basis of consumer theory and microeconomic analysis. Diminishing marginal utility. This is the additional utility gained from consuming one more unit of a good decreases as the total consumption of that good increases. Next, risk, uncertainty, and expect utility theory. 1. Risk. Risk refers to situation where the probabilities of different outcomes are known, such as in gambling or insurance. 2. Uncertainty. This is uncertainty describes situation where the probabilities of different outcomes are unknown, making it difficult to make precise prediction. 3. Expect utility theory. This theory suggests that individuals make decisions by evaluating the expected utility of different alternatives, taking into account the probability and utility of each outcome. Application of decision theory in economic. 1. Consumer behavior. This is decision theory explains how consumers make choice among different products and services based on their preference and constraints. 2. Frame behavior. This is frame use decision theory to optimize their production, pricing and investment decision in order to maximize profit. 3. Policy analysis. Policymakers employ decision theory to evaluate the costs and benefits of different policy options and to make informed decisions that serve the public interest. 4. Financial decision making. This is investor and financial professionals use decision theory to manage risk, allocate assets, and make investment decisions. Game theory and strategy decision making. This is strategy thinking, negotiation and bargaining, and then competition and cooperation. Strategy thinking. This is game theory analysis how individual and organization make decisions in interdependent strategic situation where the outcome depend on the choice of multiple parties. Negotiation and bargaining. This is game theory provides insight into how individuals and organizations can negotiate effectively by understanding the incentive and strategies of the other parties involved. Competition and cooperation. This is game theory helps explain how firms and individuals choose between competitive and cooperative strategies and the resulting market outcomes. Bounded rationality and cognitive biases. 1. Limited information to cognitive limitation. 3. Satisficing behavior. Limited information. This is individuals often make decisions without complete information. Relying on heuristic and rules of them to simplify complex choices. Cognitive limitation. This is human decision market have bounded cognitive abilities and are subject to various biases that can lead to suboptimal choice. Satisfying behavior. This is rather than maximizing utility. Individuals often satisfy by choosing the first option that meets a certain threshold of acceptability. Behavioral, economic, and heuristic decision making. This is heuristics, cognitive biases, and Knock theory. Heuristics. This is individuals often use simple mental shortcuts or heuristics to make decisions quickly and efficiently rather than engaging in detailed rational analysis. Cognitive biases. This is behavioral economics. Self-identify with range of cognitive biases that can lead to systematic deviation from rational decision making, such as loss aversion, framing effect, and anchoring bias. Knot theory. This is policy market and organization can use insight from behavioral economic to nudge individuals towards better decision by designing choice environment that take into account human biases and heuristics. Normative versus descriptive decision theory. Normative theory. Normative decision theory focus on how individuals and organizations should make decisions in order to achieve optimal outcomes based on rational choice principles. Descriptive theory. Descriptive decision theory aims to understand and explain how people actually make decisions in the real world, taking into account the influence of cognitive biases, heuristics, and other psychological factors. Reconciling the two, combining normative and descriptive approaches can provide a more comprehensive understanding of decision making and inform the decision of policies and intervention that help individuals and organizations make better choices. Key takeaways. 1. Rational choice axioms. Understanding the fundamental axioms of rational choice, such as completeness, transitivity, and independence of irrelevant alternatives, is crucial for understanding economic decision theory. 2. Utility maximization. The principle of utility maximization is a powerful tool for analyzing how individuals and organizations make decisions, but it must be balanced with insight from behavioral economics and cognitive psychology. 3. Interdisciplinary approach. Effective decision making requires an interdisciplinary approach that draws on insight from economics, psychology, game theory, and other fields to understand the complex factors that influence human behavior. 4. Practical application. Economic decision theory has a wide range of practical application, from consumer behavior and firm strategy to policy making and financial decision making, and can be used to improve the quality of decision at both the individual and organizational level.